In this brief lesson, we will now configure our audio settings, ensuring that we get the best sound for recording as well as playback. First, make sure that your audio interface or sound card, or even headphones, are connected to your computer system. Now, go to Edit, then go down to Preferences. Skip the General tab and go to the Audio tab. Choose ASIO for all as your audio driver. It gives you the best sound, without latency or delay, and works with most audio interfaces or sound cards. Or, you can choose your actual sound card if the name shows down below, but we recommend that you choose ASIO for all as your driver. Next, close the dialog box, and you are done with this process.